My friend, if you can hear my voice today, it means life hasn't given up on you. You're still here. And as long as you're here, there's hope. You may have fallen. You may have failed. You may have cried in silence when no one was watching. But I came to remind you, you can begin again. See, too many people walk through life thinking their past defines their future. They let fear, failure, and other people's opinions build a prison around their potential. But the truth is, the moment you decide enough is enough, everything changes. Not next week, not next month, right now. Your mind is your greatest weapon. The world will try to convince you that you're not enough. Not smart enough, not lucky enough. But the moment you start believing those lies, you hand over your power. You've got to take your power back. You've got to tell yourself every morning, I am not a victim of my past. I am a designer of my future. Success doesn't come to the strongest or the fastest. It comes to the one who refuses to quit. Because life will test you. It will shake you. It will strip away your comfort. But those moments are not here to destroy you. They're here to rebuild you. There comes a moment when you must make a decision. Not a wish. Not a someday. A decision. When I decided to change my life, nothing around me changed immediately, but everything inside me did. And when your inside changes, your outside has no choice but to follow. You don't have to know every step. You just need to take the first one. The path will appear when you move. And don't wait for motivation. Motivation is a feeling. It fades. But commitment, that's what moves mountains. Tell yourself, I will do it even when I don't feel like it. That's where transformation begins. Fear will whisper, what if you fail? But faith will shout back, what if I fly? Every person who has ever achieved something great was once afraid. The difference, they felt the fear and moved anyway. Don't run from your failures. Study them. Don't hide from your mistakes. Grow from them. Because failure is not the opposite of success. When life knocks you down, it's not the end. It's just life testing your will to rise. And the more you rise, the stronger you become. You were not born to just pay bills and die. You were born to create, to love, to serve, to inspire. Your dream, that thing deep in your heart that won't let you sleep. It's not random. It's your calling. But here's the secret. Your dream will not chase you. You must chase it. You must give it time, discipline, and belief. When no one claps for you, clap for yourself. When no one believes in you, believe in yourself. Because one day, the same people who doubted you will ask how you did it. You've got something special, something the world needs. You have greatness within you, but greatness is not born. It's built through pain, through persistence, through patience. It's built when you keep going after everyone else gives up. It's built when you say, I'm not done yet. Don't let your circumstances control your spirit. You may not control what happens to you, but you can always control how you respond. And that, right there. Not a weak one, a powerful one. Promise that you will no longer live in the shadows of your fears. Promise that you will rise even if your knees shake. Promise that you will give your dream the respect it deserves. Because life doesn't give you what you want, it gives you what you fight for. You've got one life, one chance. Don't waste it waiting for the right time. The right time is now. And if you believe that, then today, my friend, your transformation has already begun. You've got greatness within you. The world is waiting for you to show it.